we're going to use some of the same settings we used in the last lesson to explore some of the different visualization types. Let's go ahead and duplicate our country report and then select donut chart or pie chart. As you can tell, it's not very clear of what's going on here on a pie chart perspective. However, for brevity, let's go ahead and use it. We can easily see that not a majority, but a good percentage of folks are coming from the United States and Canada. Kind of breaks out from there. What we might want to do is change our slices to 5, therefore showing the other a little bit more representatively. Well, not a lot of other tab settings here. I can still also use the segment report. That might be a little bit more representative. Now let's jump into something a little bit more interesting, the line chart. Unlike Google Analytics Universal, this visualization offers quite a bit of functionality. One of the first things you may notice is you no longer have to deal with the annoying totals line that was within Google Analytics Universal. Here, we'll just see a line for each dimension. You can also limit or expand the number of lines displayed all the way up to 20. And you'll notice a super cool anomaly detection area here that will, well, detect anomalies within some of your data. Now, let's look at the scatter plot visualization. I feel this is very highly underutilized. This particular view doesn't really show much. Obviously, the more traffic, the more event counts. Now, while we can see the switch between paid and direct within the United States and Canada, not much beyond that. Scatter plots are great when you use a volume-based metric with a percentage-based metric. For this, let's go ahead and add a new metric. We're going to add conversion rate, user conversion rate to be exact, and import this. Now, I'm simply going to drag user conversion rate in place of that. Country, again, not really the best breakdown here, so I'm going to explore with my first user medium. So I'm going to take away the segments for a bit, just look at the mediums, and here I can see that all of my different user mediums have relatively the same conversion rate. Not necessarily a bad sign. Moving forward, bar charts are great at quickly showing the differences, or lack thereof, between various dimensions. And last but not least, we have geography reports. Here, we can simply select between city all the way up to planet, just kidding, continent level, to show our various values. Values would be the bubble size. So as you can see, just with the freeform reports alone, you have several different options to visualize your data and make your point.